Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a very special Get Ready With Me. And this one is especially close to my heart because I'm getting ready for my college farewell. सबको farewell देते देते खुद का farewell का time आ गया, पता ही नहीं चला. So anyways, from now on it's going to be a voice over and let me take you guys through the process how I got ready. Also guys, 90% of you watching this channel aren't subscribed to my channel, so what are you waiting for? Go hit that red subscribe button, and also you guys can follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here on the screen. And now without me blabbering much, let's actually dive into this video. I'm gonna start off with some blush. The one I'm using is from Popexo, and I'm not gonna do any base makeup. I'm directly applying this blush on my skin, and with the help of a brush I'm just blending it out. I've applied it on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, and I'm blending it in an upward motion so that it gives me like a lifted nice cheekbone sort of look. Now from the same blush I'm going to be using that highlighter which is on the back end, and I'm going to be using that on my face, on the highest points of my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and a little bit of my forehead. And again using that same brush I'm going to be blending that highlighter in. This highlighter is very finely milled, it does not have any chunky particles like that. Next I'm using the setting spray from Mars so that the products which I've applied stay put throughout the day and do not budge. Moving on to some eyeshadow, I'm going to keep it very basic and neutral, taking some brown eyeshadow. Firstly I'm taking it on a big fluffy brush and पूरे eyelid को मैंने इससे cover कर दिया है. You can also use your fingers like that. And next I'm going to take this shimmer shade, this like highlighty shade from Mars का कोई palette, and I'm just slightly dabbing it all over my eyelids, giving it like a nice even shine sort of a look. Next I'm going to actually curl my lashes, and I'm trying to make sure कि पूरा emphasis is on my eyes, so I'm doing my eye makeup actually really well. After curling my eyelashes I'm going to move on to eyeliner and draw along my lash line and flick out a little in the end, just drawing a small little wing and giving my eyes that definition. For kajal I'm going to be using the one from Zudio and tightlining my waterline. The Zudio ka kajal is actually really nice and stays put and does not budge. And for mascara I'm using my trusty favorite Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara, gives me damn good volume and length. And for lipstick I'm going to be mixing two lipsticks. One is on the slightly brown tone, one is on the slightly red tone. First मैंने brown lipstick को अच्छे से अपने lips पे लगाया, and next I'm going to take the red lipstick and just dab it onto my lips for some parts and then just blend it in with my fingers. It gives a very nice brick rosy sort of a hue, if you will. Next I'm going to be wearing my earrings. I have picked up these dangly earrings from Fancy Market, you best believe, for 30 rupees, and these look so beautiful and stunning. Next I have a bangle set with some blue and crystal studded bangles, and next I'm going to be wearing my sari which was pastel blue in color. Honestly this was totally just such a slay moment, and I loved the color, the fit, everything. The makeup also turned out really well, and that's what my final look has turned out to be. Unfortunately, like a fool, I forgot to take any videos of my look, but I have some pictures which I'm going to insert right here. Yeah, that's it. So guys, that's it for this video, and clearly like a fool I've forgotten to take any videos and beauty shots of me. Anyways, I had a great time. I had really fun on my farewell, and more farewell content is coming up, you guys. I know I'm late, but better late than never. Till then I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one with a super fun and fresh video. Till then, bye.